back to our YouTube channel. My name is Nicole, aka The Dictionary, and today I'm going to teach you guys something really cool and really interesting. You can wear this for a festival or even go grocery shopping if you want. It is a graphic liner and glitter makeup look. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then make sure you keep on watching. But wait! You must first subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. Click over here. Subscribe, okay? Remember to do it. Did you click on it yet? I'm watching you, I know. Okay, I know. Click on it. So for our edgy brow look, we're gonna start off by using the Silky Girl Perfect Brow Liner and Powder. So for this brow look, we're gonna make it a little bit more angled and sharp. So we're gonna raise that arch a little bit higher than I normally would for a makeup look. And you fill in from the back first and then slowly move towards the front. And with the powder side, you want to use that to feather out the front area. That gives it a really nice ombre effect so your eyebrows don't look so harsh. To carve out the brow and give it that really cool cut, we are going to use the Revlon New Photo Ready Candid Concealer in the shade 005. I'm going to start off by carving out from the bottom of my brow. And you want this eyebrow shape to be really sharp and cut. And then from the back, to give that eyebrow that really edgy look, we're going to dip back into that concealer. And we're going to find the highest point of the brow slightly off to the right. And we're just going to draw a line with the concealer. Next, we're going to move on to the base. We are using the Silky Girl Gen Matte Cushion Foundation. Now this packaging is so interesting because if you twist the bottom, the foundation actually comes out on the top. And you don't even need to have a separate cushion because you can actually just massage this into your face directly. And to make sure that the application is neat and tidy, you can just use any sponge and just dab it in so that the product absorbs into your skin. So this side is with the foundation, and this side is without the foundation. Next, to contour the face, we are going to take this Revlon Insta Blush, and it's a stick form. Now this color is a cool tone brown, which I really like to use. We're going to go into right under the cheekbone, right under the jaw, and along the side of the face. We also want to contour the side of the nose, and right in this part of the chin. You want to take any sponge that you have and you want to blend it out. Next, to highlight, we are going to use the Revlon New Candid Photo Ready Concealer in the shade 005. And I'm going to put this on my nose and on the bridge and on my chin. You also want to lightly take this and dot it around your eyes and the forehead. So now to set the base in place, we are going to use the Revlon New Photo Ready Candid Setting Powder in the shade 001. So you have a protection cap, plastic cap that you can open up, and it reveals the product underneath. So you want to go in with a fluffy brush and you want to tap into the product, and then you want to lightly dust off the excess. And then you want to go under your eye. So you want to concentrate this product under your eye and lightly dab it. And after you've covered your T-zone, you can move on to powdering the rest of your face. Alright, next we're going to use this C-Code Hush Hush Blusher in the color Bright Pink. And we're just going to use this to highlight the most high points or the middle point of your face, the apples of your cheek. So you want to use a brush and lightly just tap it. This product is very, very pigmented. You want to go in with a very, very light hand first. And then after tapping off the excess, you can really start to blend this product into your skin. I love it! It's so cute! For the eye look, we're going to do something really simple. So I'm going to pick up this BBIA eyeshadow in the color 02. And we're going to lightly dust this all over the eyelids. This is just to create some shadow and some depth so that by the time we put the graphic liner on, it's going to look really nice. You want to concentrate the color on this outer V of your eye. Next, we are gonna go in with the C-Coat eyeliner. This has become really a staple in my makeup routines now because this tip is so sharp and the color is so matte and pigmented. I really like this product a lot. So we're gonna start off with a big wing and we're gonna go from the outer corner and drag a line all the way to the inside. And then we're gonna do the top side and drag it along the top of your eyelid all the way to the middle, and then use it from the front to connect it to the middle of your eye. Next, we're gonna press on your eyelid and open up that fleshy bit right where your lashes are, and you also want to coat all this with the eyeliner. Next, we are going to go into this really interesting product by Physicians Formula. It's actually a green crayon liner in the shade Green Eyes. And what we're going to do is we're going to go right into the socket of your eye. If you press it, you'll be able to feel it, and that's where we want to draw the green eyeliner. So I'm going to use a finger to press on the outer corner, and I'm going to connect it from that socket right onto the end of the eye, that wing of the eyeliner. And you just want to taper it out towards the front. Now once you got the shape that you like, you can go back in and press a little bit harder so that the product will be a little bit more pigmented. There! Now to finish off the eye, I'm going to use this BBIA shadow in the color 06. It's a very beautiful glittery shimmer color, and I'm going to pop this on the inner corner of my eye. So I'm just going to pop this right here and drag it a little bit to the inside corner. And I also want to put this right under that brow bone. Next, we're going to move to the under eye. We're going to pick up that same green liner and we're going to line the waterline of the eye. So you want to use your fingers to pull a little bit, just gently. And then you want to pick up that same eyeliner from before, and we're going to draw a very small and sharp tick right in the front of the eye. So right now I'm going to go and do the other eye and pop on some lashes, some crazy lashes, and we'll be right back. Next, we're going to go in with the highlighter for the entire face. We are using Maybelline's Master Chrome in the shade Molten Rose. So you want to highlight the high points of your cheek. And for a look like this, you really want to go in and press quite hard and get a lot of product on there, because in a festival look, you want to be as extra as possible, you know. So you want to do that on both your cheekbones. This highlighter is so nice. It's so nice. Oh my god. And you want to go into it on your nose, and on your chin, and right above your eyebrows. And I like to use my finger to highlight just the bridge of my nose. To really amp up the highlighter, we are going to use a Glimpse Lively Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow. And this is in the shade Milky Way. This color is so pretty because it's got flecks of blue and silver glitter in there. And so what I want to do is go over all the points that I've highlighted before, and you want to lightly dab it in with your finger. Now this has chunky glitter in it, and so it's gonna really shine at night when the lights are flashing right in the middle of your nose, and your chin, and the bridge. So we're gonna use the glitter liquid eyeshadow and just go inside this entire lid as well. To elevate your look a little bit and look extra, we're gonna add freckles onto our look. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is take your eyebrow pencil from before, and you want to dot freckles along this point of your face. You can make them big and small and have a very light hand, especially if your eyebrow pencil is quite pigmented. Last but not least, we are going to go in with the lips, and I'm using C-Coat's Kiss It Don't Miss It matte and long lasting lip cream in the shade Mauve. for our makeup look today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other makeup looks that you want me to do or even do makeup challenges, then please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to us and I will see you guys real soon. Bye!